Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about tie-downs. If you haul things in your truck, then you know that you can never have enough tie-downs. And sometimes the factory tie-downs, well, they just don't cut it. They leave a lot to be desired. And so today I'm going to be upgrading my 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Now I've already got the sides mapped out with some integral Milwaukee panels, and that leaves me with 3 of the oval-shaped GMC factory slots. And so to maximize that space, Charvonia Design sent me a pair of their billet bed tie-downs. These are, of course, the red. And so today I'm going to show you why these are a massive upgrade compared to the factory hardware. Now, first things first, let me talk about the build quality, because when you pull these out of the box, the first thing that you're going to notice is the weight. These are not cheap stamped steel. Of course, they're not plastic. They are CNC machined from 6061 T6 aluminum right here in the USA. The red powder coat is flawless. It looks really sharp. And guys, I think what makes these unique is the simplicity of the design. Before I put them in my truck, just take a look at the inside collar. When you back out the bolt, the inner anchor plate rotates, and so this allows you to slip the entire assembly right into the factory bed slot. And then once it's in, you tighten it down, and that plate, it rotates back 90 degrees to clamp it securely against the backside of the sheet metal. It's brilliant because it allows you to make use of the GM factory holes. I've got 9 of them, by the way, in my bed. I also like that it's completely reversible. I mean, if I change my bed setup, I just loosen them and move them. There's no drilling, there's no permanent modifications. So let's get these installed on my truck. Like I said, I'm gonna mount these on my bulkhead, but you can put these on any of the factory GM oval-shaped holes. To start, you just pop off the factory plastic cover, and then you just angle the plate of the anchor into the slot, hold it flush, and then tighten it down with a hex bit. It takes maybe 30 seconds at most per anchor. They sit very low profile, and so you don't have to worry about it interfering with other things in the back of your bed. Now let's take a closer look at why this design is functional and not just tough. If you think about a conventional tie-down point, let's say that you've got a ratchet hook like this one here, you hook it around that tie-down point, then you walk around to the other side. Well, what happens when you let go? It drops out of the tie-down point, and that's what's different on these Charvonia tie-down points. When you hook the hook in there and walk away, because it's got that center insert right there, the hook stays into the slot. And so this solves a major problem that I think we can all relate to. Plus, I also like that it's heavily radiused, and so it's really smooth. You don't have to worry about it ripping any of your straps. But I think my favorite feature of these tie-downs is just the way they hold the hooks. I mean, this is such a simple detail, but it has a profound effect. And you know, as HD truck owners, we need parts that can take a beating, and these Charvonia tie-downs, they add strength right where I need it at the bulkhead, and I love that I can move them around. It's not permanent, and they look really sharp, especially in this red color. I'm gonna include a link down below in the description and the first pinned comment if you wanna pick up a set for your Chevy or GMC. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.